Welcome to a new Ask Now summary. Today we are introducing the book How Leaders Build Value from Dave Ulrich and Norm Smallwood. This book shows how business leaders can build long-term value. Through leadership, service, corporate culture, and the ability to attract top talent, businesses can create real, measurable value that goes beyond simple bottom-line numbers. Based on research drawn from human resources, finance, IT, and leadership, How Leaders Build Value offers ideas and actions that leaders at any level, in any function, can use to increase their organization's overall value. Each chapter presents a concept and offers examples and tools that can help leaders develop the asset and communicate its value to interest groups, employees and other parties. The concept of intangibles has a history outside business. Successful sports teams are often characterized by intangibles. For example, the quality of coaching, the ability to win, and the like. In business settings, understanding how to leverage intangibles is of great interest to leaders. When intangibles are defined, leaders may make choices that affect not only what is happening inside their firm, but also how investors value those decisions. What is an intangible? Intangible is the value of a company, not accounted for by current earnings. Listen and remember these key principles. Intangibles determine an incremental portion of a firm market value. Intangibles may and should be understood and managed. Intangibles are the responsibility of leadership at all levels of an organization. Intangibles can be increased applying management tools and concepts. And now listen carefully to some of the suggestions offered by the authors to create intangible value. Audit intangibles. Moderate expectations and produce more. Be cautious in public statements and convincing in private ones. Let results communicate success. You won't need rhetoric. Start with small goals. Identify a visible intangible you can control. Simplify your messages, articulate them with your strategy and repeat them. Do not confuse employees and investors with too many initiatives and projects that might obscure your main message. Present your message with charts, experiences, metaphors, symbols and icons. And be sure your message reflects the way you wish to be recognized as a leader. Invest in technical excellence. Identify the technical competencies where your unit may achieve results of excellence. Surround yourself with talented people. You should recruit better people than yourself. Invest in talent. Provide frank and straightforward feedback to the people who do not meet goals or can perform their job. Value and express gratitude to your employees. Share the credit for success and make them assume personal responsibility for failure. Leaders who express gratitude distribute this philosophy in cascade throughout the organization. Identify patterns during events. If something goes wrong, look if the same went wrong in the past. Identify causes of problems and work on these causes, not only on behavior. Always ask why. If an employee always arrives late, ask why. Handle the problem, not the symptom of the problem. Look at your organization from outside and experience your organization from a customer's position. Treat your customers exceptionally well. Experience your organization from an investor's position. Invite investors to chat with employees. Invite investors to meetings and training activities so they can be informed about how the organization works. Locate forums where employees can go public on behalf of the firm. This will increase their commitment to the company. Become a role model of accountability yourself. Collaborate with frequency. Build leadership brand. And to wrap it up, pay close attention to the words the authors conclude this book with. Additionally, intangibles are ambiguous, they are hard to identify and hard to define, harder still to manage. They are also highly interdependent. For example, initiatives to improve speed, if not managed carefully, can have negative impacts on accountability or collaboration. While initiatives to improve talent, if carefully managed, can have positive impacts on learning or quality of leadership. Intangibles also require a long time to build, but they can be destroyed overnight through mismanagement, carelessness, or lack of continued attention. Despite the difficulties inherent in managing intangibles, we continue to believe that this book offers practical, down-to-earth suggestions for leaders at all levels and in all organizations to impact the success of their enterprises. We have introduced the main concepts of the book. To help you strengthen your learning, a practice drill will be available. You will also find a PDF file where the introduced concepts are expanded, and an application tool that will help you transfer them to the assignment, as well as the class on iPod video and MP3 carry-along format. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to meet you in our next summary.